just want to make a quick video, really short, but this is one of those rare times to where a battery can have voltage, you know, proper voltage. Let me try it. I don't know how much. I should have thought this through before I started filming, but oh well. We'll figure it out. There we go. See, we've got 12, might as well say 12.5 volts, 12 and a quarter. And go in here, turn on the lights, and 7 volts. So you can have volts but not amps. So don't just check voltage on the battery. Check your amp draw too.